Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to uninstall World of Warships from your PC. If you're using Steam, open Steam, go to Library, find to where your World of Warships is. What you have to do next is right-click and go to Manage. Once you're here, click on Uninstall, and then click on Uninstall to confirm your action. If you're using the Wargaming Game Center or the Wargaming or the World of Warships launcher, open Wargaming Game Center, select on World of Warships, click the gear icon, and then Game Settings, and then click on Uninstall. Confirm the action to uninstall your game. After uninstalling, you can also delete leftover files by going to your World of Warships game folder and remove any remaining folders if you don't want replays or settings saved. And that's it. World of Warships is now completely uninstalled from your PC. You can reinstall it anytime from Steam or the Wargaming Game Center.